Good morning, everyone. Andy here. And we just picked up right where we left off the last 2, 3 days with trading the Sniper Scalping Blackline Cross, Sniper Extreme Blackline Cross system today. It was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And let's take a quick look and we'll count it up. But I think you're going to be um, well, I'll let you decide what you are. But I'll tell you what, we've been waiting for quality momentum, quality form and flow, quality volatility to come back into the crude oil, the DAX, the gold markets. Honestly, we really did fine over the summer. There wasn't anything wrong with it. But those of you that have been around sniper owners for a while remember what we were like in the winter and the spring. And then things slowed a little bit, still okay, but slowed a little in the summer. And now we are back. And let's show you what we did here. Guys, these are auto signal calling indicators. These are auto signals. They're generated by the computer. Okay, I didn't place these arrows on the screen. And you're going to see some phenomenal performance. So remember, everything we do with the Sniper, very visual in nature. It's designed to be that way, so you would have the ability to assimilate it quickly. Notice how the black line down here below in this indicator, the pulse extreme indicator, crosses from the gray area up to the colored area. We get our black line cross signal long winner. Not a huge one, only like 12 ticks, 13 ticks available. Then the black line crosses back into the gray area. We get another signal. Boom, short. That one's a huge winner, 30 ticks or more. Then the black line crosses back to the colored area. We get another signal. Boom, huge winner. And we are just rocking. I only executed 5 trades live today because I was distracted by all kinds of different things, which is disappointing because the majority of trades today were wins. We could have cleaned up, but you know what? I hit double my daily goal on 5 trades. I'm not going to complain. So here we go. Black line goes from colored to gray, short, boom. Executed this one live. Black line goes from the gray area back to the colored, signal fires, huge winner available. Gorgeous re-entry available here because we touched the first gray line. To get a sell signal, we got to touch the second gray line and have a down close. So we didn't get that. That reset us by touching that gray line, reset us to be able to get another buy signal. That happens right there. Boom. First loss of the day comes at 9:27. Honestly, if you're being a total robot, taking every single trade, obviously you would have had a loss there. But if you were using any discretion at all as far as trading with the action line, demanding that the action line slopes with you at least a little bit, easily could have stayed off of that trade. Next signal long, boom, not a big winner, but 7, 8 ticks. And then black line crosses back to the gray area, short, 15, 16, 17 ticks available. This was an interesting day, guys, because it was actually relatively consolidated. We did not have a wide range today by any stretch. But the difference between these types of market conditions and market conditions like we were seeing in the summer is we still get enough follow-through on the majority of these signals to get wins, even inside these consolidations. Now, I'm not saying that we should constantly just trade like a dumb robot. But those of you that have been around for a while, listening to these recordings, have heard me say many, many times, we often enough, it's not like it's one every 20 or 30 days we have a day that's this accurate. We have days that are like this quite frequently. So personally, what I do, part of my trading plan, is when I recognize that we're really into the groove and everything's clicking, I will pretty much take every single signal. I'll be a dumb robot until the market punches me in the mouth once or twice. And then I'll say, okay, now I got to follow my plan. I have a trading plan that I'm looking for very specific things to determine, okay, I want to take this one. I'm going to pass on that one. Trading with the short-term trend, with the action line, so on, different things like that. Very easy to implement and follow. But I override that plan frequently when things are just kicking on all cylinders. And I say, okay, I'm in override mode. I'm taking every trade until the market tells me I shouldn't by giving me a couple of losses. And you can often get on 5, 6, 7, even 10, 12, 13 trade winners. You know, it's unbelievable. And again, listen, every single person that was hanging out in our live room with us today saw all these trades happen live. Black line crosses to the colored, long, 7, 8, 9 ticks available. Black line crosses back to the gray, short, 12, 13, 14 ticks available. Back to the long, 8, 9 ticks available. So not, you know, this was pretty tight consolidation. If I were not in robot mode, I certainly wouldn't have taken all these trades inside this consolidation. Black line crosses back to the gray, short, huge winner. These trades were not executing wide. They're right on top of 10 o'clock with the news releases. So we have a blackout period, 1 minute before and 1 minute after 10 o'clock. So we ignore those. Then we continue on. Black line crosses from colored to gray, short, gorgeous win. Executed these couple of trades live. Black line crosses from gray to colored, long, nice winner. Black line color chain crosses from colored to gray, short, huge win available. Long, huge win available. Long, big win available. The second loss of the day right here, okay? And then short, got that loss right back. Long winner. This trade got 5 ticks into the profit. We're not calling that a win, so that's the third loss. Long, big winner. Short, winner, and now we're to 11:15, so we'll wrap it up. Let's count this up, guys, from 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 11:15. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins, 2 losses, 7, 8, 9, 10. We ignore those 2. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 wins, 3 losses, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 winners and 3 losses from 8:30 to 11:15. And many of you were watching the charts the whole time and saw every single one of those trades happen live. I don't know about you, but that is pretty doggone cool in my book. Have a great rest of your trading day, guys. We are taking off to Las Vegas for a live seminar. You know what? We still have 1 or 2 spots left available. If you're watching this and you're saying to yourself, holy cow, I got to get out there and hang out with Andy and some of the sniper crew in Vegas, send me an email, ajc61@yahoo.com. We can still get you there. If you're like, you know what, I am loving what I'm seeing. This sniper seems to be the real deal. Well, but I can't make it to Vegas. You know, I just can't do it on that short notice. We are going to stream the event live, so you can still participate even by not attending. So if you might have an interest in that, email me, ajc61@yahoo.com. Those of you that are not sniper owners and are considering possibly purchasing the sniper, I'll give you a killer deal combining this either live or streaming event of the Las Vegas seminar with a sniper purchase. So something to think about, available today and tomorrow. Talk to you guys later. Have a great week next week, and then we'll be back at it as per normal the following week. And I believe that we will be the first couple of trading days in October. Take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.